And we are back. Starting 5 for both teams dito sa ating semi-final round. Ito na, pabigat na ng pabigat. Who will advance in the finals and wait for their opponent? Is it one trading or team shooters? Medyo lamang ang team shooters dito dahil ang haba ng hinintay nila. They are well rested. Pero ang kagandahan sa one trading, nananatili silang mainit. Nananatiling mainit until today. At this moment, grabe yung puso na pinapakita nitong one trading. Ang from the first game talagang sobrang tight until now. So I think fatigue will be an indication para dito. Labas muna natin yung first 5 for both teams before we start. First 5 from the team shooters. We have Gok Ong, La Cuesta, Jamse, Martin, Ocampo, De Ocampo. And on one trading, Kojo, Hernandez, Uy, Nance, and Hernandez. Kita nyo naman yung paikot ni Coach Jello sa tao niya. Wala dyan ang kanilang main man na si Glenn Macalinaw. At yung previous best player of the game. And we are gonna start. This is Hoopstore semifinals. Ball first possession will go to the one trading. Lays it up. Tinutok na lang yun ni Hernandez. Hernandez opens up the scoreboard para sa one trading. 2-0 agad ang datingan. Gok Ong. Hindi pa nagpapakitang gilas dito si Gok Ong. Magaling yung bata na yan. Hernandez. Thought about it. 3 on its way. Wala. Rebound kanina mapupunta. Kay Gok Ong yan. De Ocampo on the run. De Ocampo binigay kay La Cuesta. La Cuesta. Randy. Wala. Tap in. Itip in is Marco Jamse. Isa sa mga quality players, Tony Boss, Joel, Marco Jamse. He find the gem in him. Team BG, Team Pinatubo. Jamse is on the court. Talagang he's well respected din ng mga role players. Isa sa pinakamagaling na role players here in Dubai. Kojo with the AR2 mismatch. Huwag mo munang i-focus yung sapatos dahil naka-mismatch na naman yan, bossing. AR2 mismatch available sa Hoopstore. Yan, kung nakikita niyo yung sapatos ni Kojo, you can only purchase it on the official distributor of Rigger here in the UAE. Ang flashback clothing by Hoopstore. 4-2 is the score. Shooters down by 2. Kojo on the ball. 3 on its way. Kojo, he can do that. Kojo, bang! Kojo 3. Brought to you by AR2 mismatch by Riggerer. Sana naman makita niyo yung sapatos. We are ready for that one. There's a steal. Hindi. Traveling violation. Ganda ng depensa ng the one trading. At eto na. There's a timeout. A timeout committed by team shooters just to stop the run. The mini run of one trading.
The Hoopstore would like to thank Zamek Events, Basketball Years, 361 Degrees, Riggerer, JMS Tailoring, Boss J, Flashback Clothing, King Eagles Tourism, Big Boss Garage, Wetski Accessories, Soul Savvy, House of Iritea V, SMK, and the Hoopstore.
And we are back live. One trading is in lead by 5. Syempre, shoutout pa rin. Shoutout pa rin sa ating mga live viewers dyan. 28 viewers. Ate Arcel and Benget pero Campo nakakuha na ng AR2 Excalibur niya doon sa bahay kagabi. Hope you are doing fine, boss idol, sa pag-purchase mo ng sapatos sa amin. Ganda ng pasa! Toppets! Tunanse for 2! Grabe naman, para namang walang pagod tong one trading na to. Jamse, binigay kay Del Pinado. La Cuesta, he can do that. La Cuesta,
Meron siya niyan.
he can do that. La Cuesta for 2.
Ito yung isa sa mga nahiwalay sa team ng 30 Gen.
Pero quality naman talaga. Kahit saan dalahin, he's gonna give a depth to the bench at sa lineup ng teams. Three's coming his way. La Cuesta will not get the ball. And the ball will go back to team shooters. 9-4, 5 kailangan bunuin itong team shooters.
Renz De Ocampo.
Leo Campo, teardrop, wala, rebound kanino. Mapupunta yan sa the one trading, but La Cuesta's battling for the ball. Ball will go back to team shooters. Ganda ng hustle doon ni Randy La Cuesta.
Talo ka sa akin dun kung Jamboy.
Leo Campo will try to inbound. Binigay niya kay La Cuesta. Mismatch there. La Cuesta, he can do that. La Cuesta.
Back to back.
Semi-final round, do or die game for both teams. Winner will advance to the finals. Manse, binigay. 8 na naman. Kojo for 3. He made 1 earlier, pero wala ngayon. Rebound by Marco Jamse. Gokong with the ball. 6 minutes on the first quarter. Gokong down. La Cuesta, he can do that. Wala pa rin.
Parang familiar sa akin yung naka-rebound na yun ah.
Sino ba yung naka-rebound na yun? Patrick Uy ng Mavs. Talaga
Player
naman.
ng Mavs phenomenal
Talaga
yan.
naman, no?
Talagang kondisyon, no? Kita mo.
Jamse with the ball. Jamse, lazy rap! Basket
And one.
is good! Sumabay pa si Kojo doon. Jamse will have a trip to the line to complete a 3-point game and a chance to tie up the game to 9 apiece. Shout out to 41 viewers natin. Comment lang kayo guys so we can shout out sa lahat ng mga nanonood dyan para alam namin na dyan kayo. Thank you for staying with us. We have 2 more games after these, 1 semis and 1 finals. Marco Jamse will try to even up the game. Yes, he did. All 9 tayo. All 9 tayo, Marco Jamse. Patrick Uy, he can do that. Pero wala yan sa pagkakataon na yun. Gokong will secure the ball. Ang haba ng hinabol from the...
Bata na to,
Magaling
no?
talaga. Yes. Kitang-kita mo naman yung mga galawan. Marco Jamse. He's gonna be free. Marco Jamse pulls it up. Randy La Cuesta with the board. Pero nakakuha ni Kojo yan. Kojo looking. Nakita. Constantino binalik. For 2. Eva Hernandez. Short jumper. Quality rin talaga tong si Hernandez, no? Ito na. Coach Jello will put his 5 on the floor. La Cuesta with his 6th point of the game. Sa kanya halos kalahati.
Violation. Bola ngayon ng shooters. Hindi na proper inbound.
Bumalik sa shooters ang bola.
Hindi napansin yung
Hindi
guhit.
napansin yung guhit.
Ang ganda pa ng
Ang ganda na
nakaplay.
play. La Cuesta, back-to-back points, 8 points, 8-0 run from Randy La Cuesta himself. Now he puts his team back in lead for 2.
Ang sakit nun.
The Hoop Store would like to thank Zamek Events, Basketball Years, 361 Degrees, Rigor, JMS Tailoring, Boss J, Flashback Clothing, King Eagles Tourism, Big Boss Garage, Wetski Accessories, Soul Savvy, House of Iritea V, SMK, and the Hoop Store.
And we are back live. Bola tayo ng 1 trading from up by 7. Ngayon down
Medyo
by 2.
masakit yun, yung nangyari sa
Masakit,
kanila.
yes.
Hindi na proper inbound, sabay nanakaw play neto ni La Cuesta.
Ganda ng pasa kay Patrick Uy. He can do that. Patrick Uy has that.
John Patrick Uy. Ang player ng Mavs, phenomenal ngayon. Player na ng restaurant.
Oh, it's a
Sa Dubai.
restaurant.
Del Pinado.
Restaurant yan. Del Pinado was fouled by Uy. Delfinado will have the trip to the line. At Coach Jello decided to pull back his starting five, ha? Hindi niya pinasok ng ano yun. He gave the chance to his bench players to keep on playing. Ano yun, sobrang tricky nun for us. Hindi natin alam ang mind na tumatwak sa utak ni Coach Jello Termines. Grabe. He was about to pull out his best players from the bench. Pero pinaupo niya to. Tried to give the trust that he's giving to all his team dito sa starting five na ginawa niya na to. Nonetheless, 1 point lead na lamang. 1 point lead lang naman ang lamang ng shooters and his best players are resting up. Let's see what will be the outcome on the following quarters. Patrick Uy, he can do that. He made one before. Pero sila Cuesta, naagawan ni ko, ang bilis ni Kojo. Ito, De Ocampo. Oh my God. You will not do it in the when game is on the line.
Iba rin yung tactics ni Coach Jello dito. Parang
Eto
ang
na.
nangyari sa kanya, bagong 5 ulit. Fresh legs tong 5 niya.
Constantino. Guta is here.
Katakutan.
Katakutan is here again. Evangelista, he's solid 5. And yung reinforcement na sila. Bang bang! Constantino, fresh from the bench. Instant impact naman yun. Baray Coach Jello. Mukhang gumagana na nga yung tactic ni Coach Jello, no? Uy, ang ganda sana no. Naka-mismatch din yun. Anong mismatch yan, boss? Hindi. Delfinado. Binigay. La Cuesta. Wala. Rebound kay La Cuesta pa rin. Delfinado secured it. Gokong. Tapikan. Gutay. Uy, ang layo naman nun. Double dribble. Nakita ni Rep yun. Nakita ni Rep. 1 minute and 14 na lang pala natitira. Ganun kabilis, ha?
Mabilis din yung mga mata ng ating referee
Mabilis
dito.
talaga. Natividad.
Siyempre, shoutout sa ating Kuya Nards Ilardo.
Sabi mo yung fast break mo kanina.
Randy La Cuesta. 2 points. Gutay, meron siya niyan. Gutay, fakes. Gutay pa rin, binigay, ginave up niya yung bola. From the other side, 3 on its way. Bang! Lamang na ng dalawa.
Ang one
trading,
trading.
yes. Eto na. Natividad. Gives it up to Deo Campo.
Meron siya niyan.
Bang! Deo Campo gives back the lead to 19, to 1, 19-18.
Isa rin to sa mga magagaling na mga player ng Ilocano.
Makalinaw to Constantino. Libreng-libre si Constantino dyan. All day, every day, Constantino on the way.
Ang ganda ng kamay nun.
Ganda talaga.
Pangalawa niya na yun, ha? Pangalawa niya na yun.
From that side, La Cuesta, he can do that. Meron din yung bata na yan, di ba? Paso lang. That's the end of the game. The first quarter, 1 trading. Lamang ng isa na ibabaon. Going to the second quarter, 2019.
The Hoop Store would like to thank Zamek Events, Basketball Gears, 361 Degrees, Rigor, JMS Tailoring, Boss J, Flashback Clothing, King Eagles Tourism, Big Boss Garage, Wetski Accessories, Soul Savvy, House of Iritea V, SMK, and the Hoop Store.
And we are back to the second quarter of action. 2019. 1 trading, lumalamang pa. Ang tactic ni Coach Jello, pinasok niya muna ang bench for the first 5. At ang kanyang strong 5 is ngayon niya lang ipapasok. So, will it be effective until the end of the game? Eto na, shooters. So, si Marquez kanina hindi naglaro yan, ha?
Si Anjo naman.
Si
ang
Anjo,
bagong
yes.
mukha ng shooters dito. Tsaka napansin ko, ang taas ng scoring natin, ha?
Taas ang scoring.
Sa first quarter.
Despite the good defense, syempre, maiinit na yung mga players. Gutay, meron siya yan. Gutay for 3. No. Tapikan. Nailabas yun. Natapik palabas si Constantino. Constantino, grabe rin talaga ang kamay sa perimeter, no? De Ocampo. Sliding up the defense. De Ocampo. And he was fouled. High IQ play para kay De Ocampo doon. He heard the whistle and throw the basketball. Now he's... And he's gonna try to get his 2 points from the line. First free throw for De Ocampo. Medyo malamig. De Ocampo has to heat up. Kailangan niya ditong maging productive to seal the win and book their ticket to the finals. He tied it at 20 apiece. Glenn Macalinaw is handling the leather. Binigay niya yan kay Gutay. Gutay to Katakutan. Katakutan to Constantino. Back to Katakutan. 3 on its way. Katakutan. Bang! Grabe yung kamay. Katakutan. 3! And the 3-point shot is brought to you by 361 degrees. Number 25. All alone. Wala. Finger rolls it out. Andrito ngayon. Si Macalinaw. Macalinaw finding. Meron bang hit check na matitikman si Katakutan? Katakutan. Nasa ilalim. Now it's away. Katakutan for 3. Wala nga lang yun. Everybody's not breathing on that shot. Same possession tayo. Bola ng shooters. Adjo Marquez. Grabe, isa sa pinaka-quality role player here playing in Dubai sa mga lower leagues. Adjo Marquez.
Nakakatakot tumira yung Katakutan.
Katakot talaga.
Oo.
Underneath, Katakutan.
Dumulas.
Parang si Nems, no? Si Nems.
Oo.
Eto na.
Oh.
Eto rin, meron din yan. Meron na nga talagang fatigue. Kasi ang magiging effect niyan is if you are playing and you stop for a while, meron niyang malamig sa tuhod eh. Mahirap na maglaro. Lalo na kung shooter ka and you're getting your shots from your legs. It's gonna be hard for you. Is it the same situation for Gutay? Gutay find his way down. And he was hurt. He was down. Gutay is down. He's still down. And he's hurt. Gutay. We need to check on this guy. Nasundot ang mata ni Gutay on that play. And his team is checking on him. We hope he's okay. He's a valuable player on this team. And Coach Jello cannot afford to lose him. Not in this most important game for one trading. Shoutout muna tayo. 39 viewers natin. Keep on sharing and liking. Comment din kayo para meron kaming binabasa dito. Shoutout sa inyo lahat. 41 viewers.
Nakakita ng comment. Ha? Hindi tayo nakakita ng comment. Ito. Charge ng saglit sige yan. Ba't di tayo nakakita ng comment? Hindi, saglit lang to daw.
Hindi, doon siya connect na lang. Yung charger ko doon.
Ayan, meron pala dyan, Kuya Nards. Short ang tinira.
Sige, tanggalin mo lang yan. Tanggalin mo lang. Yung cellphone niya ni Kobe.
Ito, binalik yung batang point guard.
Ayun, sorry hindi kami nakakakita ng comments kanina. Now, we want to shout out Kuya Dario Banyares. Thank you for supporting Kuya Dario. And shout out kay Marvin Abdullah Garduque, nanonood ngayon. Shout out Idol Marvin and Devero RB. Shout out sa inyo. $33 viewers. Ano lang tayo para marami pang makapanood ng ating live.
Booking pa nga.
Substitution, ito na, Randy La Cuesta. Coach, Boss Joel. Tingin niya, sapat na ang pahinga ni La Cuesta.
Kailangan niyang bumalik agad.
Kailangan niyang bumalik. Ayan na, nakastil na nga. Nanguuna na. Sino nanguuna? Number 25. Inilapag na lang, Jai! Sorry, miss! Mabigat yung 2 points na yun.
All alone yun.
2 points can make or break your game. Macalinaw for 3. Wala. Rebound by Navarro. Wala na, you're down by 3. Mabigat yun. There's a foul called by the referee. Fouled by number 8.
Pagalitan ko, sabi ko mag-court play.
Anjo Marquez, binalik kay La Cuesta. La Cuesta, masyadong malakas yun. Number 24 with the board. Pinalik na ulit ng mga, Macalinaw, kicks it out. Evangelista. Balik kay Macalinaw, katakutan na naman. Grabe ang tira niyan, short. Manalo will be trying to earn his first 2 points from the line. 23-20, tatlo kalamangan. And La Cuesta has been called a foul sa galawang yun.
Isipin mo, hindi siya naggaas ng bola pero sa sipag at pwesto niya, nakakuha siya ng rebound.
That's a veteran is doing. That's what is veteran na. Veterano talaga ang ginagawa. So, at the right time, at the right place. Jojo Manalo, second free throw, yes. Quality rin talaga nung araw yan. I think he's a rated player before.
Kilala rin ng lahat yan.
Kilala rin yan. And he's a winner.
Manalo. Eto na, Anjo Marquez.
Anjo Marquez!
Masyado
Rebound by
malakas.
Delfinado. Jump ball lang. Yan, di pala si Delfinado yan. Iba yan. Shooter's possession. Time remaining natin on the second quarter is 3 minutes and 40. At syempre, di ko alam bakit ganito yung live natin. Di natin nakakabasa ng live.
Ang ganda na naman sana nung nakaw-play ng shooters doon. Pero dahil itong si Macalinaw, sabi niya, no easy basket.
Ayan, shoutout tayo, Adrian Dagcas. Hindi na ako abot dyan, kakauwi ko lang. Abot ka pa tol, actually. We still have 2 more games. So, kailangan namin dito ng tulong mo para magbuhat. Please, idol, punta ka dito. Kasagot na namin yung dinner mo. Of course, and Marvin Abdullah Garadukay. Pa-shoutout naman kay Coach Dre Navarro, Homies Basketball. Shoutout Coach Dre. Madam Bea Navarro. Shoutout po kay Fernandez Romeo. Ganda live nyo. Hina po signal. Ayan, humihina ngayon. Humihina ulit ngayon.
Ayan na naman ang sinasabi na inbound play ng shooters. Ang galing nila doon. Ilang beses na ginawa yun. Yung mga knockout plays na yun. Pero feeling ko naman, may a-adjust ni Coach Jello yan.
Nakuha yun. Gokong. Talagang
Ang
matibay
bilis
rin
ng
talaga yung
batang
bata to.
Ang
Oo.
bilis.
Ayan na. La
Cuesta.
Cuesta for 2. Di nila mapigilan Randy La Cuesta answering the prayers of the whole shooters hopeful. 25-24. Lamang ng shooters ang isa.
The Hoop Store would like to thank Zamek Events, Basketball Years, 361 Degrees, Rigor, JMS Tailoring, Boss J, Flashback Clothing, King Eagles Tourism, Big Boss Garage, Wetski Accessories, Soul Savvy, House of Iritea V, SMK, and the Hoop Store.
Sorper
And we are back here live.
Ganon-ganon lang. Nakalamang na ulit yung shooters doon.
Siyempre.
Dahil yan kay Randy La Cuesta.
Of course, basketball is battle of runs. Diba? Whoever made the runs, make the stop, sila yung mananalo. Ito ang story of our game today. Between the semifinal round, ito na naman. Nakakuha. Hindi mo na mahahabol yan, Gokong. Ilalapag na lang yan ng bata na yan. Gokong!
Nilingon pa.
Nilingon pa.
Kita mo, parang sinabi, sige, habulin mo ako.
Hindi nyo mahahabol yan. Grabe yung bilis ng bata. Pinasok na si De Jesus, ha? First appearance of De Jesus for this game. Ito na naman si Gutay. Okay na, Gutay. Tingnan natin. Bang! Gutay 3! And that 3-point shot is brought to you by House of Iritayabi. Grabe, parang hindi na injury. Ininda niya yun, nagpasab siya, and now he's coming
Tinamaan
back.
pa yung mata niyan.
Tinamaan niya matabi. But before that, hindi siya makahulog. Siguro ayun yung sign na sinasabi na gumising ka na. Hindi na para patagalin yung pag-iinit. Our team needs you, sabi ni Coach
Ito na
Jello.
naman, titignan natin yung mga knockout plays ng shooters sa mga inbound plays.
Maganda
na
yung mga
ganito.
inbound play ng shooters, ha? By the way.
Titignan natin kung makakalusot na naman to.
Ayan na naman. Muntik na naman yon. Binibigla nila ang depensa ng one trading. Yung mga knockout plays na yon, ang bibigat nun. Let's see kung anong mangyayari dito sa inbound nito. Inbound play. At the baseline, Anjo Marquez will have the ball. Kicks it out. Oops. Gokong. Traveling violation. Medyo dumulas lang sa pagkakataon na yun si Gokong. Coach Adrian calling for a travel.
Pero nakalusot na naman siya.
Nakalusot na naman. Libre na naman kung sakali yun.
Ito, nagre-relax ng bahagya ang one trading.
Oo, kailangan nila yan. They cannot afford to
Last 15
make a run
seconds.
dyan. Kasi ano na sila, fatigue na. They need to calm down and make this shot. Yes!
Last 5 seconds.
4 seconds na lang natitira. Gokong. And that's the end of the second period. One trading. Lamang sila ngayon ng dalawa. 21.
Halftime break muna tayo. Tama ba yung score natin?
29-27 is the official score. The story of the game, runs. Sinong nakaka-stop at nakaka-runs, they will win the ball game. Randy La Cuesta doing his damage on both ends of the floor. Pero syempre hindi papayag ang one trading sa magagandang pasahan nila. Kaya naman lamang pa rin sila ng dalawa ngayon. 29-27. We are going to be back in a few seconds. At malalaman na natin kung sino ang mag-a-advance sa laban na ito.
Grabe yung kamay ng katakutan, no? Si Nemesis. Back to the ball game.
Back to the ball game tayo. And we are live now. We are going to be back.
De Jesus. Open.
And now, yan. De Jesus in and out. La Cuesta with the board. Gokong. Binigay. There's a steal. Gokong with the re-steal. Ganda ng pasa sa ilalim. Delfinado. Wala. Kinaliwa lang yun. Si Anjo ba yun? Anjo. Wala nga lang yun.
Medyo nagulat siya.
Medyo nagulat siya sa ganda ng pasa. Makalinaw. Nasa gitna. Binalik yan. Evangelista for 3. One of the quality players ng one trading. La Cuesta surveying the floor. Kaya niya ba? 2 black shirts in his way. La Cuesta binigay kay Anjo. Anjo, ganda ng pasa ni Anjo doon. Kay Kantanano.
Ano ang pangalan ni Idol? Patience din yung ginawa
Patience
ni
din ni
Anjo.
Anjo. Yes, until somebody cuts. Nakita niya. Then he gave up the basketball.
Ito, na-steal na naman.
Na-steal na naman Anjo. Binigay kay number 27. Quality rin tong tao na to. Mamang-mama. Giving the pick is Anjo. Gokong finds Randy. La Cuesta. Backing up is Evangelista. Traveling violation. Nice defensive play para kay Evangelista doon. Alam niya na na talagang babadi-badihin siya nito ni Randy Lacuesta. Shoutout to the 30 viewers natin dyan. Diego Loyola, let's go, the one trading LLC Lim. Yun. Shoutout sa iyo, Kuis Diego.
Ito, pinagpahinga muna si Anjo Marhes at binalik si Del Pinado. Katakutan. Short. Pero same ball pa rin. Balik pa rin tayo sa one trading.
9 seconds on the shot clock.
Nauubusan na rin ng puwersa tong si Katakutan. Nakailang short na rin yung tira niya.
Napapagod na rin. Pero si
Ito.
Gutay,
Feeling ko. Medyo naman.
Gutay is quite silent on this game. Medyo tahimik si Gutay ang presensya niya on this ball game. But nonetheless, his team is fighting for it. All pa rin tayo ng 29. Despite na kalaban nila is waiting para dito sa semifinals. Well rested.
Isyo. Bago mukha to, kakapasok lang.
Kapapasok
Pumuntos
na lang.
agad.
Yes. Announcing his presence from the court, di ba? Ganon ka agad. Para tumagal ka dyan. Oh, there's a foul. There's a foul. That's a foul.
Grabe yung katawan ni Kuya.
Talaga naman. Ang tigas niyan. Bato-bato. Balikat pa lang. Gok-ong with the steal. Two black shirts. Kaya naman, eto na Randy. Ganda ng pasa. Hindi naman sinasadya yon. Hindi niya inaasahan yung pasa from Randy Lacuesta. Kasi,
Ang akala kasi ni Junicio is ididiretso niya na. Hindi inasahan.
which is usually ginagawa ni Randy. Pero that time, he attracted the defense. So that's why he decided to pass to Junicio. Kaso lang, Junicio is not ready for that ball. Go on. Binigay. Junicio. There's a steal, but there's a foul. A foul committed by Lacuesta. Lalabas muna yata si Lacuesta dito at ipapasok si Dio Campo. They need to reserve their players para ready sa finals. So entering this game, Shooter has the advantage dahil well rested ang kanilang mga players. But nonetheless, despite that advantage, one trading is only behind two from the well-rested shooters. Dahil yan sa tactics at plan na ginawa ni Coach Jello, giving some breather on his starting lineup and putting up his second team para simulan ang game na to. 29-31. Ano ang mangyayari sa loob ng 5 minutes and 50 seconds? Kojo with the AR2 mismatch. Calling out the play is Glenn Macalinaw. Glenn, the court general, sees some opening. Binigay yan kay Katakutan. Wala yon.
Hindi pa rin nakakapuntos to si Katakutan.
Hindi pa. Medyo malamig na siya after that 2 shots. De Ocampo finds some daylight. Lays it up for 2.
Ang pride ng Ilocano. Renz de Ocampo.
Kojo kicks it out. Macalinaw. Balik kay Kojo. Kojo for 3. He has that range. Rebound. Sa kanila pa rin. Number 29. Yes!
Masyado
For two.
nang malapit yun.
Malapit na yun masyado para hindi depensahan. Ito na naman si De Ocampo. Balik kay Kojo. Kojo. Gok-ong rather. Gok-ong will have a trip to the line for 2.
Lakas ng loob ng batang to.
Sobrang lakas ng loob ng bata. Yes. I think 15 years old tapos nakikipagsabakan na dito. Gok-ong, first free throw. Medyo inaalat nga lang si Gok-ong. Pero nonetheless, yung puso ng bata, walang katakot-takot. Sagad kung sagad. You have to commend him for that. 31-33. Can he add some lead? Yes, he did. 31-34, 4 minutes and 13. Semi-final round. Kojo, setting up. Patrick Uy. Andrito na ulit. Uy. Biniga. Eto na, katakutan. No. Number 12, Janicio. Janicio mo yun with the board. Deo Campo, focal point of the shooters. Del Pinado.
Same ball.
Same ball possession tayo, team shooters.
Ang sikip nila doon.
They are
Napansin
up
ko,
by
tatlo
3.
sila halos nagdidikitan. So, bagong mukha ulit. Pangalan ni Idol.
Katandihan. Gokong tries to float that one. He never get that call. Kojo calling out his teammates. Calling up the play. Hesitation. Kicks it out. Katakutan na naman. Kojo. He has this range, everybody. Kojo finds some daylight. Teardrops for 2. Converts it. 34-33. Isa na lang ang hinahabol ng one trading. 2 minutes and 45 seconds. Substitution. What? Substitution. Labas muna si Court General Glenn Macalinaw. Pasok muna ng point guard ulit dito. Ang the one trading. Delfinado with the ball. Pass to Deo Campo. Deo Campo to Miklat. Miklat with the fake. Miklat. Ito na, tumatakbo na. Kojo. Wala nga lang yun. Nothing but the basket. But he tried to laser up that one. Pero hindi niya naman nakuha yung layup na yun. Ganda ng pasa kay Miklat. But there's a steal. Number 38. Kapapasok lang. Number 0. Lays it up. Kojo. For 2. Lamang na ang one trading. 1 minute and 44 seconds. I think they need La Cuesta here. Miklat.
Tsaka medyo hindi na rin natin nakikita si Jamse, ha?
Si Jamson, hindi ko na rin nakikita. Katandihan with a miss. Considering Gutay and Macalinaw is missing on this game, one trading is up by 1. Katakutan for 3. And Katakutan, I think, meron talagang factor na patig doon kay Katakutan. Pero may pabunuto si Coach Jello dito to give Katakutan a small breather from the bench. 1 minute and 3 seconds remaining. Na foul doon si Patrick Uy. Ito na, La Cuesta will try to make a difference para sa bago mag-end ang third quarter. Napaka-importante nito. Sino magbabaon ng kalamangan to the fourth? Sobrang ito magdidictate ng laro. Delfinado forces that one up. Katandihan, he was fouled. Pushing foul by De Jesus. And he will trip. He will try to regain the lead for his team on this trip to the line.
Sipag din itong Katandingan na to. Talagang pang bigs din talaga siya.
Talagang pang Benji Vergara yung shoulder din, no? Shout out sa ating mga live viewers, Emiliano Cosio, Evelyn Nagala, my mom, Ate Arcel, Nominee Pau, and Cosio na nagtatanong ng balita. Patrick Uy gives it up to they're traveling. 13 seconds na lang, ha? 13 seconds on the...
Pero range niya yun, eh. Range niya yun. Kanina pa siya nakakashoot dun.
We have a timeout. Coach Joel wants to talk it out. Paano nila tatapusin itong third quarter na to? We will be back in a few seconds. This is Zoomstore League. Digma sa gitnang silangan.
The Hoop Store would like to thank Zamek Events, Basketball Gears, 361 Degrees, Rigorer, JMS Tailoring, Boss J, Flashback Clothing, King Eagles Tourism, Big Boss Garage, Wetski Accessories, Soul Savvy, House of Iritea V, SMK.
And we are back live. 13 seconds on the third quarter. Tingnan natin kung ano yung sinulat ni Boss Joel doon sa kanyang coaching board. Will there be a... Ay, nahuli! 3 seconds. Kojo lays it up. And they will end the third quarter with a 2-point lead. One trading. What a stop. Nag-backfire yung timeout ni Coach Joel doon. Sinasabi niya, kalmahan lang natin. Hindi natin kailangan magmadali. We are in advantage. And we will be back in just a few seconds.
The Hoop Store would like to thank Zamek Events, Basketball Years, 361 Degrees, Rigor, JMS Tailoring, Boss J, Flashback Clothing, King Eagles Tourism, Big Boss Garage, Wetski Accessories, Soul Savvy, House of Iritea V, SMK, and the Hoop Store. The Hoop Store would like to thank Zamek Events, Basketball Years, 361 Degrees, Rigor, JMS Tailoring.
And we are back live. Kokong. What happened on that huddle? Malalaman natin. Ho. Very bad start para sa fourth quarter. Para sa shooters. Turnover kagad. Almamento. Patrick Uy. Back to Almamento. Almamento with the leather. Bigay kay De Jesus. Kojo making things happen on his team. Kojo. Mahirap yan. Anjo with the rebound. Marquez with the ball. Bigay kay Gokong. Binigay niya kay La Cuesta. Medyo mahirap nang kunin yun. 3 black shirts ang naghihintay kay La Cuesta.
Napansin ko sa ginawang defense dito ni Coach Jello, binibigyan nila ng pressure tong si De Ocampo eh.
Oo. Eto na si Marquez. He can do that. Malamig na si La Cuesta. Delfinado. And he was fouled. Almamento with the reaching foul. Second personal foul para kay Almamento. First team foul pa lamang yan sa ating fourth quarter for the one trading. 37-35. Delfinado will try to cut down the lead sa kanyang free throw na ito. He makes the first one.
Ito ang isa sa mga legit big man din ng Barriquero yan.
Naman, Delfinado. Pero wala yung second free throw niya. Nonetheless, he has cut down the lead to 1. Mabigat din yun. Patrick Uy. Ay, binasa pa ni Patrick Uy. Walang kumpiyansa si Patrick Uy 3 on its way. Almamento. No. Short that time. Eto na, don't go. Shoutout sa 60 viewers natin dyan. Sabi ni John Mark, ang popogi ng commentators. Mas pogi ka, idol, for sure. Naman. At yun, stay tuned. The next game natin is semifinals again. Sino makakalaban na mananalo dito? It's gonna be between Royal Point and 30 Gen. Parehas Ilonggo. De Ocampo, ganda ng move. Bola mapupunta kanino? Kay Uy, Patrick Uy. Binigay kay Kojo. Kojo the main man ngayon. De Jesus, up and under. Delfinado, bothered. This shot. Ito na, kaya ba? La Cuesta, and he was fouled by Uy. Foul by number 9, Patrick Uy. One trading the needle. Kailangan makalusot nila sila dito para mag-advance sila in the finals. Patrick Uy. Almamento with the ball. Ito na naman, Kojo! Grabe naman yung small line-up nito ni Coach Jello. La Cuesta. Hernandez with the board. De Jesus, 1-on-1 versus Delfinado. Delfinado knows what he will do.
Nice D.
Nice defense nga naman. De Ocampo. for two, and he was fouled.
Still, hindi natin nakikita ang Jamse dito.
Walang jumps no?
Isa pa rin yan.
Ano
sa
ba yan?
mga-
Plan ba yan ni Coach Joel just to reserve Jamse on to the next round? Second free throw. Leo Campo 2 for 2. 39-38, isa na lang ang kalaban. Lalabas muna si Leo Campo dito to have a breather. 5 minutes na lang ang natitira. And nandito na ang starting 5, the closing 5 para kay Coach Jello.
Ito na yung pinakapangdiin na
Diinan na
lineup
talaga.
ng One Trading.
Yes, Manse. Nahuli naman ni Anjo. But there's a re-steal. Makalinaw. Looking. Jojo Manalo. Back to Makalinaw. Back to Jojo.
Meron
Jojo
siya
for
dyan.
3. Bang! Don't underestimate the greats. Jojo Manalo clutch in his veins. Gives One Trading a 4-point lead. Ayun na ba ang iniintay para magkaroon ng separation dito? Pero si Anjo, hindi. Traveling violation ang naitawag ni ref.
Eto, pinasok na yung kanina pa nating hinahanap.
Andrito na ba? Marco Jamse. Yes, he's present now on the court. 5 minutes remaining. But is it still enough for him to make a change dito sa laban na to? One Trading. Makalinaw, binigay kay Jojo Manalo. Kakahulog lang nito. Binigay kay Gutay. Gutay. Balik sa kanyang kampe. Gutay. 3. No. Rebound by Gokong. No. It's still the black ball. Evangelista diving for that ball. Makalinaw looking. Binigay kay Gutay. 5 seconds to work with. Libre sila doon. 2 on his way. Wala. Marco Jamse. Yes, of course. Marco Jamse. Ito talaga ang meron ng Marco Jamse kapag meron ka sa court. Rebound and hustle. Shoutout muna natin yung mga nanonood natin na live viewers. 64 viewers. John Michael Poticano. Shout out. Ganda ng boses ng komentator para ako nanonood ng PBA. Thank you, Dol. Kenny Joseph Pragadas. Let's go the One Trading yun. Idol Kenny. Yes, good luck sa mga games nyo. John Michael Poticano, shout out po. Astel Finado, he felt that one. Nonetheless, he made the shot. Shooters down by 2. Talagang hinahanap Gar, sabi. Good time with the ball.
Clinton, Arquisola.
Shout out Cleton, yes.
Fresh from Pinas yan.
Fresh pro, ang sarap niyang amuyin.
Makalinaw.
Makalinaw with the ball, looking. Ito na si Jojo with a big 3 earlier. Andrito naman Makalinaw. 3. No, rebound Jamse. Jamse with the ball ngayon. Gokong. They need the answer here. Ayun, libre si Delfinado. Delfinado, he has this range for a big man. Pero wala. Nice backs out para kay Makalinaw. Evangelista secures the glass. Evangelista to the right, to the left. Kanina siya mapupunta. Binigay niya kay Manse. To Gutay. Gutay is silent. He is silent on this game. He needs to make a presence here. Gutay on cue. Gutay with the big 3. Grabe naman si Gutay. Ibang klase ang puso at kamay nitong tao na to. When the team needs him, he answered. But La Cuesta answered back with a simple 2-point jumper. Kala mo lang mahirap, madali yun. Pero mahirap yun. Off to a curl and jump shot. Only Randy La Cuesta can do it smoothly. Oops, medyo malayo ang pasa. Gutay. Hindi niya nahahabulin yon. 45-42.
Masakit yung error na yun para sa kanila. Ito, bumalik din si Renz De Ocampo.
Ito na ang panggiitan ni Boss Joel sa shooters. De Ocampo will try. 3 on its way. In and out. Marco Jamse fighting for that ball. Of course, Marco Jamse making a difference. Sabi ko nga sa'yo, di ba? 5 minutes, meron bang magagawang Marco Jamse? 2 different sa game na to. Meron. It's his hustle. Kaya naman tingnan mo yung team niya. Down by 3, pero talagang pumapalag na ngayon. De Ocampo kababalik lang. Traveling, violation. Pinathinto pa ni ref yung team ng one trading bago siya tumawag. And we have a timeout shooters. Coach Jelly wants to talk things over. Makakalusot kaya sila on this game. We'll be right back in a few seconds.
Soul Study, JMS Nation, Big Boss Garage, Boss J, Wetsky Boy Car Accessories, King Eagles Tourism, and Mommy K.
And now we are back. We are back live in action. 45-42 with only 1 minute and 48 seconds remaining sa ating talaan. Lamang ang one trading ng tatlo. I think I'm mistaken. Fatigue is not gonna affect the game because ngayon lamang ang one trading, although they came from a very difficult opponents, andrito sila ngayon lamang ng tatlo, and team shooters finding their way.
Last 1 minute and 48 seconds na lang to.
To answer the one trading, yung offense ng one trading kasi tsaka yung defense talagang solid eh. Gutay, grabe to. Whatever happens, give the ball to Gutay to the clutch. Evangelista looking, Evangelista finding his way, lays it up for two. Wala, rebound. Nahuli yan. Makalinaw, binigay Manse, eto na naman. Jojo Manalo! No, rebound. Number 27, skying high for the board. Ito na naman, Marco jump set, 2-on-2. Gokong, he can do whatever it takes. Gokong lays it up for two. Pabasa isa, kalamangan ng one trading. 1 minute and 8 seconds, wala tayong timeout. Jojo Manalo.
Ang galing nung hesitation move ng
Galing
bata
na,
doon.
hindi ko rin alam. Akala ko ipo-pull out niya. Pero Gokong has been visible in this 1 minute mark. Makalinaw. Oh! Nice defense! Double team by the defense of Gokong and La Cuesta. The court general. Hindi natin inaasahan na magkakaroon ng ganong turnover.
Nagkagulatan doon sa hard show.
Nagkagulatan. Ang ganda kasi ng hard show. Pero Patrick Uy, binalik na ni Coach Jello
Binulot
for the
ni Coach
closeout.
Jello.
Yes, 1 minute and 2 seconds na lang. Shooter still down by 1. De Ocampo, what can he do? De Ocampo to his right. Gokong with the ball. Back to De Ocampo. De Ocampo with the fake. De Ocampo, he can make that. De Ocampo gives shooters the lead. Grabe, answering the prayers of the shooters hopeful dito sa ating Hoops for One Day League. And we're gonna be back for a short break as Coach Jello wants to handle his team. 45-46, shooters.
Lamang, ang bilis lang binaba, no? Hipak nga, way. Nakakahipak ako. Semis din yun. Semis to, di ba? Semis yun. Sa live yung astig. Ang pro league pati yung mga Magumarjon nga eh.
Ayun, let's get back to the ball game. Basa muna tayo before we end this game. Thank you so much, Valencia, John Paul, salut sa live nyo. Basa tayo mamaya. Let's go. 4:52 seconds. Very tight game. Gutay secures the ball. Oh! Oh my God!
Ang bigat nun. Nakita mo yung depensa nung De Ocampo tsaka nung Jamse sa pagpapasahan. Ayan yung kanina pa nating hinahanap,
Yes.
yung Jamse na yan.
Now we know why Coach J finding the perfect time for Marco Jamse to show up. De Ocampo with the ball. De Ocampo, sidestep, stripped. Nakuha pa rin nila yan. Number 27, ang bigat niya! Ang lupit mo! Timeout na naman, Coach Jello. Shooters in lead by 3. 34 seconds remaining. What will Coach Jello do? Kailangan niyang i-huddle yung team niya. One possession game. It's still anyone's ball game. We'll be back in a few seconds.
Nakakapraning din tong mga to panoorin, boy. Jay, yari ka sa akin mamaya.
And let's get back to the ball game. Ito na. A sorry turnover. 2 turnovers na crucial lang nangyari sa one
Bigat nun.
trading. Yes.
Lamang sila kanina ng 3. Nagkamali. At ito, pinasok ni Coach Jello.
Si Kojo ha?
Kojo, tsaka si
Yes,
Katakutan.
let's see what Kojo can do. Katakutan, eto na naman, Katakutan. He knows he's not afraid to take the big shot. La Cuesta with the rebound.
Ito na si Jamse.
La Cuesta to Jamse. Jamse to seal the deal. Jamse. Belling on the presence. Marco Jamse, you
Huli pa.
are a bad man. Evangelista, Kojo. No, rebound skying high. Shooters will advance. La Cuesta will finish up this game. Marco Jamse filling up the score sheet. Hindi lang sa score, kundi all over the floor. Marco Jamse sealing up the game, booking his ticket to the finals. And now, Shooters will be waiting for the winner of the ace game. For the chance to win the championship. 45-50, Team Shooters. Stand by lang kayo, stay tuned, because we're going to interview the best player of the game. Team Shooters advancing to the final round.
Di nga.
Pao, sinong player daw ang susunod?
Yung kanina, yung...
Okay.
Sarado, ito muna hindi siya best player, pero
30 gen, Royal Point.
Uy, interview yan? Ano sasagot ko?
Royal Point sa baba.
Pwede yan dito.
dalawa to ah. Alright, here with me, syempre, the game changer, Idol, Marco Jamse. Actually, hinahanap ka namin ng kasama ko ni Paolo. At the end of the third quarter hanggang fourth quarter, hindi ka pinasok until that last 5 minutes of the game. We are trying to guess anong kayang gawin ni Marco Jamse to make a difference dun sa ginagawa. And we figured it out. Congratulations, Idol. Ano yung thoughts mo nun, yung habang nasa labas ka ng court until the very 5-minute mark na pinasok ka?
Ayun nga, bago ang lahat, nagpapasalamat ako sa taas dahil sa kanya nakuha namin ng panalo kasi binigyan kami ng lakas at tamang pag-iisip, kaya nakuha namin yun. Yung tanong na tinatanong mo kanina, yung thoughts ko habang nasa labas ako is, sabi ko, once na ipasok ako ni Coach, all the best, sabi ko, all out ako. Ayun nga, sa awa ng Diyos na naibigay ko naman yung best ko. First of all, ang nag-focus ako sa depensa. Sa opensa is given na. Yun na nga, focus lang ako sa depensa. Kaya ayun,
Yun, para kasing nag-iba yung runs ng team mo eh. Hindi kasi naiintindihan ng iba nating viewers dyan. Sabi nila, kapag ka marunong lang mag-shoot, magaling ka mag-basketball. It's not about that. And you prove it today as a guy na kayang magbigay ng burning power para namang mag-ignite yung loob ng bawat teammates based on your defense, rebound, and being a role player. Ano masasabi mo sa teammates mo and coach mo na binigyan ka ng chance to prove that Marco Jamse can make a difference even late time dun sa clock?
Yun nga, masasabi ko sa coach ko is kahit pa paano, kahit in the last minutes, like 5 minutes, binigyan niya ako ng pagkakataon. Kaya ayun, binigay ko talaga ang best ko. Sa mga teammates ko, tulong-tulong lang din kami. Walang sisiyan, kahit magkamali, it's normal, sabi namin. Bawi until matapos yung oras is nakuha namin yung panalo. Yun na.
And hindi na tayo hold for too long. I know that you want to rest.
Yes.
So good luck on the finals and congratulations,
Thank you,
Idol.
sir. Thank you. Have a
And there you have it, the game changer for
Thank
the semifinals, Marco Jamse.
Thank you.
Ayun, grabe naman. And we're gonna be back. We're gonna be back to interview yung best player naman natin from that game. Siyempre, hindi lang naman na scorer ang kailangan natin interviewin. And we're gonna be back in a few seconds. We're gonna call on Randy Lacuesta to join with us in a few minutes.
Subukan mo na.
Wait lang.
Okay ko na?
Hindi magano ko. Matawagin mo na.
They store with
These brothers, my guys, know that they fly, know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side. CJ, now I got